In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create a Claude AI account. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to claude.com. I'll also put a link to that down in the description below. Once from here, it should bring something like this. And now from here, it's time to create an account. And to do that, you'll simply need to go up to the right hand corner where you'll see contact sales and try Claude. To create an account, you'll simply click try Claude over here, and then this page should be popping up. From here, you can see you can either choose to use your Gmail or Google account, or you can enter your private email down here and then continue with email. If you click into your email, you'll possibly also need to verify that email, so Claude will send you an email and then you'll just need to verify using the link that they sent you. Once you get inside of Claude AI, it should look something like this. And here you can see the free plan. Now if you already want to upgrade it, you can simply click upgrade right here and then be taken over to the different plans that Claude AI offers. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!